Yo guys, welcome back to another video. I wanted to post something because I know I was supposed to post some runs, but the weather here in Miami hasn't been so good lately, so haven't been able to go out. So right now, as you can tell by the time I'm doing a PCV Delete kit, since this car didn't have one. I bought made my own little kit from auto parts. So yeah, I'm gonna remove everything right now and show you everything I bought. It's pretty simple. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, guys, so I got everything out. See right there. So the one that you need to remove is actually the one in the front. And then this one right here, it goes all the way to the back of the manifold. And yeah. All right, so let me show you guys what I bought. It's usually cheaper because there's a whole pack of like this and this that comes together in one pack. But I wasn't able to find this, so I had to buy it separate. So yeah, this is what I bought. This is how much I spent. $37. So yeah, and I'm gonna first cap everything, and then I'm gonna put the filters last. So let's do that real quick. All right, guys, so I capped everything. Right there. All you need is 3 caps, and right there. And then the filter just goes on there and on that one, and that's it. You're done. All right, guys. So well, there you have it. I'm pretty much done. Filters on there on tight. Filters on there on tight. Only thing with these filters, when you buy them from auto parts, I forgot to mention, because this hole right here, it's pretty big, and the filter is way too small. The hole that the filter comes with is too small, so you just have to make it bigger. The way I do that with, I just get like a I call it a blade, and just cut the hole inside, make it a little bit bigger, a little wider, so it fits in. But it's in there and snug. This one fits in good. You don't have to do anything, but that one, yeah. So yeah, that's tapped off. Everything's tapped off. So yeah, you get all those ugly hoses in the front, taking out all that bull crap right there. So yeah, guys, the next thing I might do is just order this little hose from C1, so it looks a little bit better. And yeah, this engine bay is just pretty basic, doesn't have anything done to it. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the video. I haven't done anything to the car, honestly. I don't know. All I did, right now it's really dirty because of the rain, but I did do a paint correction on this car. When I first got it, that thing was literally gray. It's not black. I wish I would have showed you guys the before and after, but yeah, you can't really tell. But this car the original paint was burnt. I brought it back to life. So yeah, the only other issue I'm having right now with the car is I can't bang gears. I can, but I can't. What I'm thinking is the clutch engagement of the clutch pedal is too high, because literally the car starts moving when I go all the way up. And what I'm thinking is when I'm banging gears and I go all the way down and I press the gas pedal too fast, it locks me out. I feel like that might be the problem, so I'm gonna try to adjust the clutch engagement, which I saw a little write-up on it, so it's pretty easy. Try to put it lower and see that fixes my problem. Also, I had a timing problem, which I got fixed already though. Those 2 sensors right there, this one right there, and right there, they were bad. Switched them out. Car is good now, running good. So yeah, pretty much it. I've been driving the shit out of this car. I've only had it for like a month or so, and I put in like 2,000 miles on it already. But yeah, she's been good. So tonight, hopefully the weather stays like this, doesn't rain. I'll be out to Mexico and record some runs for you. I'm supposed to run the fastest G37 right now, I think, in Florida. So we'll see how this goes, and I'm not gutted. Just to show you guys, I'm not gutted. I did not do what I did to the Resi to this one. Well, obviously I'm gonna remove all this stuff, but yeah, I just removed the spare. It didn't come with the tools, so I just removed the spare and the mats, and that's it. Everything else is there. I haven't removed anything else. Depending on how I do today, it will depend if I gut or not. So yeah, guys, thank you for tuning in, and hopefully the next video will be some runs. I haven't ran in like in 2 years, but yeah, guys.